Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add a button to your WordPress blog post. Right now I am on my website dashboard. I want to visit my all post section. After that I want to open this post and I want to add a button here before types of orange. So I am going to give a enter. After giving enter, there is an option for add block plus icon. So click on this plus icon and search here with button, button. So this is the WordPress default button block. I want to use this button block for this tutorial. And for your website, you will get the same button block. Just select this block. Your button will appear on your post. So after that, we can add a text into button like text button, and you can add the URL with the button. To add the URL, I am copying this website URL and I am clicking here. After clicking above, you will get an option to add link, this option. So if you click on this option or on your keyboard, if you press Ctrl plus K, so click here and paste your URL and click on this submit option. So link already placed here. After placing the link, if you wish, you can click on that button and you will get a edit icon. I am talking about this icon. So just click on this edit icon, and if you wish, you can make it open in new tab. So when your user or visitor will click this button, this URL will open in new tab. I will show you after a while. So I am selecting this option, and if you wish, you can mark as no follow. So I think it's not necessary for this test purpose, but for the SEO purpose, it's very important. So if you think, you can make it no follow, and after that save. And I'm going to save this post and view the post. This is the button. And if I click on this button, it's going to open a new tab. So that's the option already I enabled. That's why it's opening in new tab. But if I don't enable that option, it will open in the same tab. If you want to change the button background color, text color, even if you don't like this field type design, if you want outline design, you can do all of the things. So to make that change, just click on the button. After that, in the right side, you should click on this icon. I'm talking about this icon. So click there, and after clicking, you will get two options. One is field type button, which one is right now I am using, and another one is outline type button. Okay, so let's make it outline. You see, this is the outline type button. So if you like field type button, you can keep the fill, and if you like outline types button, you can keep the outline. And below there has a color option. So with this option, you can change the text color and you can change the background color. So firstly, I want to make it the fill, then you will understand the color very easily. So I want to change the text color. Right now it's white. I want to make it navy blue. You see, color already changed. And if I want to make it this gray color, it's now gray. If I want to change the background color, then click here this background. After clicking, If you want to make a gradient color, just click over there gradient option, and here has default gradient color. So you can choose those, or you can make custom gradient color from here. So I am choosing from the default color. If I click here, you see color is look like this. If I click on this color, it's changing. So whatever you like, you can change the color and everything you can change. After that, there has a typography option. You can make your button small, medium, large, XL, whatever. So just click on M, it will be medium size. If you click large, it will be large, XL, double XL. So you can customize it like this. Even if you click on here, this parameter, then it will convert into pixel. So if you want to make your button 30 pixel, then it will be like this, and you can make it smaller with the pixel. That's more handy, better than small, medium, large. So it's work like a single pixel, you can increase and decrease. After that, if you want to make the padding, like right now by default it looks like this one, and if you change the padding by clicking here, if you give 5, it will be like this. If you want to increase, you can make your button customization by this one, and this padding is increasing and decreasing on here. You see, just top and bottom color is getting highlighting. That means this padding is getting top and bottom. But if you want to give padding right and left, then you should select this option. By default it is small, medium, large, but if you click on this right side parameter, then it will be pixel. Then easily you can make it pixel or rem, whatever, or percentage, whatever you like you can do, but I prefer the pixel. After that you can give like 10 pixel, 12, 13, 14, 16, whatever you want to padding left and right, you can use. So those are the customization option for your button. If I want to customize this button position, right now it's on align left. If I want, I can make it align center or align right. So I am clicking on this button. After that, above I am selecting the parent block. I am talking about this. If you click here, it will select the full block. After selecting the full block, if you come here, this option. So if you click here, right now it's justify item left, but if you click justify item center, it will go the center. And if I save it, if I view the post, you will see this button is right now align center. So if I want to make it align right, then select that button block. After that, click here and justify item to the right. So it will go to the right side. This is the right side. So keeping it center or align left, that actually the standard format. And here has changed vertical alignment. Right now this button align on the top, but if I want, I can make it middle or bottom, even space between we can select. So top or align middle, both are actually standard. So I am taking the align middle. So this button right now align center and the align middle. By following this tutorial, you can create a button. So today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.